Here we are. PCW is coming onto a job site, coming off the freight elevator. And basically we're going to show you how quick it is to set it up and start working. Lou's going to plug it in, just one cord, plugs in the whole unit. He's going to plug in a vacuum, which is just for additional dust collection. While Lou's doing that, Pete's getting ready to rip a piece of plywood. Lou's going to pull back the table just to give Pete some support. Pete's going to make his rip. Lou's going to open up the extension table. That's for also a router table. Now Pete's going to bring the miter saw back, pull out the telescoping arms. And while Pete's making his cut, Lou is going to take out the dust collection drawer and dump the dust from the table saw. And that's it. Once it's off the elevator, plug it in, you're ready to work. PCW. Roll it up, plug it in, bang it out. It's a wrap.
It's a wrap.
Thanks, guys. Thanks, Mark.